I'm like some kind of supernova. Watch out.
start. You were trouble right from the start.